at North Community Park in Parkland, Florida. We're not far from Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School, the day after the tragedy. And there are so many news trucks here from all over, not just South Florida. I saw one from Jacksonville that came down. Local Channel 7 News, their truck is here. See a truck from Channel 2. Let's see where that's from. Fort Charlotte, Naples, Fort Myers comes here. So many have come down for this unbelievable event. So you see everything Mobile 4, CBS Miami. And the school is actually just a few blocks from here, heading right off the Sawgrass Expressway. A lot of the media are gathering here at North Community Park.